Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, dear students? This is your English period. First recite dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh my Lord, increase my knowledge. Open your workbook, page number 3. We are on page number 3, bete. Write today's date and day over here. Unit 1, Gulliver and Lilliput. Recall the story. Title. You have to write the title of the story here, that is Gulliver and Lilliput. Then, what is the story mostly about? Yes, beta, what is the story mostly about? Mostly it was about Lilliputians and Gulliver's adventures. The next question is, write 2 things you found interesting in the story. So I found 2 interesting things is, first Lilliputian sizes and second the way they shot arrows. So beta, what you found interesting you have to write over here. Now the next exercise is alphabetical order. Write the given list in ABC order. In ABC order or in alphabetical order means beta that what letter comes first you have to write it first and the next. So the first alphabet is A. But here are 2 words which come from A, like across and arrow. The question is which word you will write first, across or arrow. When the first letters are same, then we have to check the second letter. Second letter here is C and here is R. So in alphabet which comes first, C or R? Yes, C. So it means that first we will write across, then we will write arrow like this. Now beta, see the other all words start from S. Several, checks, spears, string. Now you have to decide which word you will write first. Again the rule is when the first letters are same, we have to check the second letters. So here the second letter is E, T, P, T. So here E comes first, so write several here. Okay. After several, now T, P, T. So what comes first, T or P? Yes, P. So we will write spears here. Now 2 words are left, bete, checks and string. Here the first letters are same and the second letters are also same, that is T, T. Now we will move to the third letter. Third letter here is A and here is R. So which comes first, A or R? Yes, A comes first, so we will write checks, then string, like this, okay? Now turn the page. Now we are on page number 4, bete. Write date and day over here. Here we have the answers, the questions. Number 1, why were the Lilliputians able to tie up Gulliver? Yes, beta. When we are saying that Lilliputians are very tiny in sizes, then how they were able to tie up the huge Gulliver? It was because the Gulliver was very tired and sleeping deeply. Write it. Now the answer is they were able to tie up Gulliver because he was very tired and sleeping deeply. Now question number 2, list the things in the passage that prove that the Lilliputians were very small. Yes, what were the things in the passage, bete? There were many things that prove that the Lilliputians were very small. The things are, the men were only 6 inches tall. Some got hurt when they jumped off his body. They built an 18-inch high platform. Question number 3, if you become very tiny like the Lilliputian, what are the things you would like to do? Yes, just imagine that you have become very tiny like the Lilliputian. Now any interesting thing coming in your mind which you would like to do? Yes, think about it and write your interesting answer here. Question number 4, what do you think Gulliver will do next? Yes, what do you think? We have studied a part of story only. Now imagine and try to predict what Gulliver will do next. Write your prediction here. Now come to the next page. Now this is page number 5, bete. Write date and day over here. This is the poem Harm No Living Things. So first is the theme. You have written the theme. Now the question number 1. The poet mentions 3 kinds of creatures in the animal kingdom. These are, yes, what are the 3 kinds of creatures in the poem? Insects, birds, fish. Question number 2. What does the poet mean when he says provided plants? Provided by whom? For what? The answer is provided means given by nature, provided by the creator of nature to be used wisely. Okay. Question number 3. Reread the poem Harm No Living Thing and write 2 sentences with your own ideas to help the environment. Yes, we have to reread the poem and we have to choose 2 sentences with our ideas to help the environment. Alright? For example, treat not on the busy ant, cause no mischief to those that fly, or leave in peace watery creatures. Now move to the next page. We are on page number 6, beche. Write today's date and day over here. Write an acrostic poem. In an acrostic poem, the first letter of each line spells out the subject of the poem. In acrostic poem, beche, for example, if there is HARM, what it becomes? Harm. It means that every line which we start, first it has to begin with these letters and it shows the subject of the poem. For example, LINE, line. So how they have written? Long or short, in all directions, never ends, extremely straight. So what all these words show? Line. So here we have to write something which shows harm. Hard and rigid metal. Okay. Now the next line is living things can be plants or animals just like you. All living things need food, air and water to live. A living thing can move by itself and grow bigger. We have studied this in the science beach as well. Look at the things around you and classify them in the given columns. Living things and non-living things. You have to write some examples. For example, I have written plants, cat, duck are the living things and non-living things table, chair, pencil. Now you will write your own examples, beche. Next is an activity. Can you complete these triangular numbers? 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, 36. Now here they have given us an example. A triangular number can be presented by a triangle of dots. See 1, then a triangle of 3, then triangle of 6. So we have to make the triangles. Okay, let's start. 10. Now next 15, 21, 28, 36. You will try to make it by yourself. Okay becha. So do your work nicely and neatly. Jazakallah khairan kaseera. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.